In a world where every second matters, speed decides who lives and who dies. The cheetah, built for precision, designed for speed. Every movement is calculated, every step conserving energy. But in the wild, opportunity comes only once. In just seconds, it becomes the fastest land animal on Earth. Reaching speeds up to 100 kilometers per hour, it pushes its body to the limit. But this speed comes at a cost. Endurance fades quickly. In the race of life, only the fastest survive.